Hi there, I'm going to show you how to change the filter and the UV light in this Germ Guardian. And a pretty straightforward process, and I'm going to show you what you need. First, go ahead and unplug it. So the blue light wasn't blinking, so technically the UV light doesn't need to be replaced, but I'm going to show you how to do it anyways. And then the red light up here was blinking, that does mean change the filter. First thing you want to get is a regular flat tip screwdriver about this size. I'm going to be using a latex glove because I'm going to be touching the UV light. Don't want to get my oil on that. You need a B filter replacement, and you also need your UV light. There's links below in the description for everything I'm using here today. Okay, so now that you have this unplugged, you want to remove the filter by pulling that tab down. You can see this is absolutely filthy. This pre-filter's pretty bad. The HEPA filter also is captured quite a bit. I'm going to go ahead and take those out. And this little panel right here kind of slides like this. Okay, so there's the old bulb. Just pull straight out. Be firm with it. Okay, so the new bulb, you want to push in here and just push straight back and it'll click in. Now this cover, you want to kind of put it in a little bit first. Make sure this tab goes in. It won't start if that tab isn't depressed. Okay, so with 2 screws back in, just make sure that this tab is depressed. Okay, now that I've replaced the UV bulb, I'm going to go ahead and put in the new filter. Some of these filters do have a new pre-filter, some do not come with a new pre-filter and you have to reuse the old one, but you can just vacuum that off. When you install it, you need to make sure this tab is depressed or it will not start. Go ahead and put your filter in. Okay, so the filter's in, the UV light is in. Good time to clean this up. I'm going to go ahead and test this. Make sure it's running. Alright, and then to replace or to reset this blinking filter, just hold the UV light and you're back in business. Thanks so much for watching. Hope this was helpful. There's links in the description to everything I've used here. Take care.